RFE/RL journalist Khadija Ismailova has been released from an Azerbaijani prison. She walked free after the country's Supreme Court reduced her sentence from 7.5 years in custody to a suspended term of 3.5 years. She had already been jailed for 537 days on what press freedom groups and international lawyers called politically motivated charges. Her imprisonment was widely seen as retaliation for her award-winning investigative reporting, linking the family of Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev to corruption.
My arrest was undertaken solely for political reasons because the President Aliyev and his clique decided that to get rid of any criticism against them. So it was part of the oppressive actions against human rights activists, journalists, and NGO leaders.
After her release, Ismailova vowed to continue her work as a journalist. Earlier this month, she was awarded the UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize, which honors an outstanding contribution to the defense or promotion of press freedom anywhere in the world. Amnesty International designated her as a prisoner of conscience, and human rights lawyer Amal Clooney had been working on her case.
And tax evasion charges are still remaining.